Hi, I'm Ariel. I'm a rising junior in NYU Shanghai. I'm from Hangzhou.
My name is Frederick. I'm currently a member of the class of 2021. I'm actually from Shanghai.
I'm Lauren. I'm a rising sophomore here at NYU Shanghai.
My name is Denzel. I'm a rising junior from Zimbabwe.
My name is Daria. I'm a rising junior from Russia, and I have a couple of tips for you. So the first one is to bring a raincoat because it rains quite heavily in Shanghai. And the second one is to bring some snacks or candy from your home country, because you can give them out to your new friends and they also become popular.
There are a few things that you'll want to bring with you from home. So for example, bulk items, they don't have a Costco in Shanghai. There's no place where you can buy a whole bunch of one thing. So I like to bring protein bars from home from Costco so that I can have a whole bunch of them when I'm here in Shanghai. Also, things like health foods are sort of hard to find here in Shanghai. So chia seeds and protein powder, they don't have any specific brands, and if they do have any, they're very difficult to find and very expensive, so make sure to bring those from home. Finally, I'd suggest to bring specific beauty products because they do have Sephora's in Shanghai, but they don't have the same range that they do in the States. They also don't have the same kind of foundation color range, so if you have personal makeup that you like, make sure to bring that from home.
My packing tips for you when coming to Shanghai is to bring some medication. If you have a specific prescribed medication that works particularly for your biological makeup, I'd advise you bring some of that, and you bring some that will last your entire stay here. I also advise that you bring some clothing because clothing sizes here in China tend to be a bit smaller. I occasionally buy shoes on Taobao, and my foot is about as big as it gets. That's an American 11. If you're on the bigger side of things, I'd advise that you pack some clothes for your entire stay.
There are some tips I want to give you before you come to China. The first thing I want to remind is remember to bring a conversion plug, because when you take a very long flight to China, you can charge on maybe iPhone, iPod, computer, whatever you need to charge. Another thing is, I think it would be good if you can bring some small gifts from your hometown.
So my first packing tip is for all students. If you have any special needs for pillows, you should bring your own to Shanghai. The school does offer pillows, but it might not meet your needs, so you might want to bring your own. And my second packing tip is for those who have a special flavor preference. It might get hard in Shanghai to find special spices. If you dig specific flavors, you might want to bring your own spices to Shanghai.